Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the engine and gearbox back in, and fingers crossed we're going to get it started and moving. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is nice and tight now. I drilled it, tapped it, so nice and tight. We should have a good feeling shifter now. I'm about to get it off the transmission stand jack. Get that up, get it in. And I need to change that over back to the standard one so I can jack it up under the car to bolt it up all properly. Now I think I've done everything I need to in here. Clean up this cross member here, just give it a wipe down. Alright, just wipe down that cross member. Love how the oil keeps it all nice and clean underneath, preserves it, doesn't rust. Alright, let's lift the engine up. Need to get the cover underneath, protect the flywheel, and then we'll get her in. Alright, had to take the handle off the leveler because it was hitting the crane, so I've just got my ratchet here. So we need to get the angle down now. Keep at it. Alright guys, the engine is back in. I need to put the transmission mount on now. Did get the tail shaft in there as well, so I didn't forget that. That's good. Let's keep at it and keep bolting things on. I might do a start up and check the clutch without the cooling system on. So let's see how we go there. Alright guys, it's 1:15 in the morning, so it's New Year's Eve now. Just bleeding the clutch because I took that out and adjusted the rod. A whole lot of air apparently got in. But pretty much everything is back together. The fuel system's all back together. The coolant, except for radiator, is all back together, all tight. Electricals are back on except for air intake and radiator fans. Engine harness is on. The sensors, cam, crank and knock sensors are connected. The boost controller is not connected because the wastegate isn't on. I might do a startup tomorrow after work, or today after work, without the exhaust on, just to see if I can go forward. All I need to do now is put the drive shafts back in and put the wheels back on. It should be good. Yeah, 1:15 in the morning. Alright, I just bled the slave cylinder and the master cylinder, and the clutch pedal feels good. I've put the drive shafts back in, but I haven't bolted up everything here, so I'm going to be loud, and it is 10 to 2 in the morning, so probably not the best thing to do. So we'll come back after work, finish it off and move it. Fingers crossed. Alright, I'm going to go have a shower and go to bed. Alright, I'm back after work. Let's get this thing going. So I'm going to put the wastegate on, put the exhaust on, put the wheels back on, so I need to bolt up here, and then sway bar. I'll check the reverse lights, make sure I've wired it up properly, and we'll start her up and hopefully move it out of the garage and then back in. So I need to do the radiator. Alright, it's about 5:10 now, so let's see if I can get it done by 5:30. Alright, it's 5:30, not ready. I nearly forgot to fill up the gearbox, and I can't fill it up with the exhaust on, so I had to take the exhaust off again. Let's chuck the 4 litres back in, and then I've got to do the wheels still. Alright, just coming off the jack stands. Still need to put the pitch top mount on, and then we're ready for a start up and to reverse it. Alright, pitch top mount is on. I'm going to check the reverse lights, make sure I've got it hooked up right. So ignition on, and we're going to have to see if we've got some fuel leaks too. Circuit breaker. Breaker. Come on. Cool. Right. Come on, Glenn. Come on, little fuzzy. So notchy now, that's good. Let's see if the reverse lights are on. Do I need the ignition on? Okay. Yes! Working. Pop it out of reverse. See if they turn off. Sweet! I did it! See if there's any fuel leaks. Can't smell anything. This is going to get all changed, guys. Alright, start up and move. Remember, there's no radiator support, so that can't latch down, and also don't have a radiator. So, alright, here goes, boys. It doesn't go in. Something was rattling. Alright guys, I know last time I bled the master, then the slave, and then the master, and there were still bubbles coming out. So I've done the master and slave this time. I'll go back and try bleeding again because the pedal's not quite firm enough just yet. Yeah, we had a couple of bubbles come out then. I haven't pumped it yet. Oh yeah, there's a big one coming up there. Yeah. Spewing that it didn't go in straight away into gear. Alright, let's try again. Didn't sound too good before. There we go. What the? Whoa. How is that so loose? Pretty sure it was a belt. Yeah. It's going into gear. It moves! I need to adjust the clutch because I'm moving it out about 2 mil, 20 mil. Alright, I'll show you guys. I need to adjust something. I'm happy with that. I wanted to get it moving before the end of the year. It's New Year's Eve. I'm done. First drive will be in the new year. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Bye.